Kung naghahanap ka ng lote na hulugan na at nasa town proper pa, tara na pasyalan muna ito. No down payment at no reservation required. Straight monthly na kaya mas pinagaan sa bulsa. Limited offer lang to kaya wag na magpahuli pa. Pwede mag-viewing rain or shine dahil cemented road naman ang dadaanan. 50 square meter, ang smallest cut 6,770 lang per month, mas affordable, mas accessible pa. Malapit sa hospital, palengke, school, Save More at iba pa. Kung wala kang personal na sasakyan, may mga tricycle na pumapasada sa lugar. No rush viewing. To ensure we can properly accommodate and assist you, we kindly request that you schedule your site viewing at least 1 day in advance. Site viewing is available daily, Monday to Sunday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Once-in-a-lifetime opportunity lang ito kaya wag muna palagpasin. Interested buyer, message mo lang ako.